Imagine standing on a crossroad, unsure which path to take. That's what decision-making can sometimes feel like. Today, we spotlight the pros and cons list, a remarkably effective decision-making tool. As introduced in our original video, this tool can illuminate your path, helping navigate personal, corporate, and entrepreneurial crossroads. In this 2-minute journey, we will explore how a pros and cons list can guide us through personal, corporate, and entrepreneurial decisions. Begin with crafting your pros and cons list. Assess the decision you are dealing with and jot down its potential benefits and drawbacks. Give yourself the luxury of time to thoroughly contemplate each point. After completing your list, the next step is evaluation. Assign weight to each point based on its importance to you. Remember, it's not about the quantity of points, but their significance. Once you've completed this, a review is in order. Decide which holds the most weight should guide your decision. Nonetheless, always trust your instincts, as the ultimate decision lies with you. Utilize the power of a pros and cons list to smoothly sail through life's decisions. Decisions shape our personal life, from choosing a hobby to selecting a life partner. Let's take an example. If you're torn between painting and photography as a hobby, a pros and cons list can be an effective tool. You would list the advantages and disadvantages of each hobby. Maybe painting relaxes you, but photography gets you outdoors more. By examining the list, you can make a decision that aligns with your personal goals and lifestyle. As you can see, a pros and cons list is not just a simple list but a powerful tool to navigate through life's choices. In the corporate world, every decision impacts the bottom line. Imagine you're considering a new project. Weighing the advantages, such as potential profits, against the disadvantages, like possible risks, is crucial. A pros and cons list brings clarity, allowing you to objectively evaluate the situation. Perhaps the project promises high returns but requires substantial resources. By listing these factors, you can make an informed decision, maximizing the potential for success. So, in the corporate sphere, a pros and cons list can be a game changer. Entrepreneurs face an array of decisions that can make or break their venture. For instance, choosing a business model is a critical decision that can be daunting. A pros and cons list can simplify this process, helping to evaluate each option's potential benefits and drawbacks. It illuminates pitfalls to avoid and opportunities to seize, providing clarity amidst the chaos. It's like having a compass in the wilderness of entrepreneurship. Thus, for entrepreneurs, a pros and cons list can be a roadmap to success. Stay updated about other decision-making tools and to learn other skills by subscribing to our channel. Share this knowledge with your teams to enhance their productivity and decision-making prowess.